Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cry of Fear. So, last time we left off, we were, um, pretty sure we were going to TL Trading. We went in, we went in, got out now, we're out of TL Trading. And we're at this part where there was there were just regular enemies that would hit you with hammers, like usual, Cry of Fear enemies. And then, for some reason, they just have guns now. You give a crackhead a knife, they can do some major damage. You give a crackhead a gun, oh well, he can rule the whole world. There's a reason they gave us 2 syringes, but I had to only use 1, so thankfully we can hope for that. I know I asked y'all to tell me in the comments in the last episode, oh, where do I go to find the fuse? Do I have to backtrack? No, I'm dumb. My friends told me when I showed them the recording that literally all I had to do was go over here. So, let's go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and do will. Dude. Oh. Well, he's dead. Go ahead and reload. Bum bum. So we're gonna go in here. Hopefully there's no jump scares. Don't do any save button. Don't do no cheeky stuff like what happened last episode where you go to the end of the doorway and then it spawns behind you. I'm literally gonna check everything behind me before. Ah! What the fuck? How did I die? Bro, how did I die? How did I die? How did I die? What happened? I didn't even have time to react. Okay. Well, we're just gonna turn to the right as soon. Oh! He's here! Oh! Okay. Well, we know that. Saw Runners, whatever his name is, Chainsaw Man. You go in here. Wait. I am dumb. I'm like, we can go in here. Oh my god. You can just. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Dude. Holy shit. Go! I'm dead. No, please! Oh, okay. You can't get me. Okay. Are we good? Are we fine? What is this? Oh, okay. Cool. Dude. But okay, hold on. Can I break these? Yeah. Thought so. I've learned from before. Ooh, texture problems going on. I've learned from before what to do about wooden boards. Jiggle peek. I'm using Valorant tactics in a horror game. Okay. See these? I'm fine with going against. Cause it's like these. What the hell is that? These are like. They don't really cause any trouble. They're like really easy to kill. And they're not even really annoying. They maybe will hit you once and then they die. So I'm not really like, Ooh. Dude, the skylines and the textures for this game are so cool, man. Like, look at that. Looks like a real view. Well, obviously not a real. It doesn't look like a real view. Like but dude, it looks beautiful. Looks beautiful, man. I think the name is Team Cyclar. Dude, y'all did a great job on it, man. Alright, just gotta look at the ground just in case there's anything good for me. You know? Just making sure. Just making sure. Alright, parkour. Why can't I jump? Hello? Hello? That's the way, right? Okay. I don't really want to do that. There's probably some goodies up there, but you know what? I'm fine. Ooh. What? New gun. Can we do it? We can. Ooh, that's nice. But there's bars. Okay, well, it seems like it is the way. Ah! Fucking asshole. Oh, these things, no. Don't do it! I don't want to get killed by those, man. Those things are annoying. Those things are really annoying. Those are probably the most annoying ones out of this game. Like, those are the most annoying ones. They just run at you and then they just explode when they get at you and then you take damage. And it's the most annoying thing ever, dude. Okay, I'm guessing here. How do I... Dude. Finally. Okay. I just had to time it right. Let me get in here. Alright. Ooh, stepping on glass. Stepping on glass. Stepping on glass. Y'all like that little track I made? It's gonna be something. Okay. Got more ammo for that other pistol. Ooh, more rifle ammo. Ain't that nice? This whole playthrough is just gonna be me failing at parkour and Cryo-Fear Engine. Like, dude, you can't make this up. I'm not gonna lie, I hate the jumping mechanics in this game. But I can't really hate on this game too much because, you know, it's a Half-Life 2 source, man. It's like, how can you really, like, be like, oh my god, this game sucks. But when this is, like, what they have to work with. They have to work with a Half-Life 2 source. No! Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do it one more time. If I cannot make the jump, I am cutting it here. I do not want this whole gameplay or playthrough to be just me failing at parkour like a idiot. Let's go through here. Dude, I'm out of stamina. I'll wait for my stamina to recharge a little bit. Okay, that's good. See, that's the way, though. That is indeed the way. No! Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it here. Short little episode today. scaring myself. Short little episode today. Sorry about that. But I do not want this whole gameplay to be just me failing a jump. I'll find out how to do it though. I will find out how to do it. I'll find out how to do it for y'all, alright? Just in the next episode. Alright? No, well, I can't even find my next save. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I love y'all a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye!